Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we are in the house of one dynamic personality having multi role, and indeed she is a woman and she has justified that womanhood. You know that she is none else. Her name is Tejasvi Mishra, a multi-dimensional personality. She is a working lady. She is not only working lady, she is working many institutions. She is by profession, she is a lecturer in education. Apart from that, she is an artist. She is a anchor connected with All India Radio since many years. Not only that, she is also a writer, and the most important significance in her that she is also a, I say, sericulturist. You may say that she is a botanical gardenist. You may say many. You can give any name, but in fact she is a caretaker. You say anything. Okay. So today we have a very formal and personal interview with her, and then after what she has done for her species, for her all plants, herb, and we'll ask about that. And okay, ma'am, you are welcome to our channel Mahanadi Time Productions. Oh, please give us your introductions and tell something about your activities, what activities you are doing.
Hello friends, it's your Tejasri. Uh, Professionally, I am a lecturer, but gardening is my hobby. It's my life. I do love to do a collection of rare plants. I spend my time with them, and I forgot all the worries of life. This is a stress booster, I'm telling. Stress releaser, I'm telling. So this is the need of the hour, and the internal peace they are giving, it is very rare.
Well, as you say that you are having multi-role, you are also backbone of your family. That's very much well known. So, madam, how you are getting this much time to manage? Because there are 24 hours, and as you say, you are taking this much care. I have recently visited your both floor and found there are 300 numbers of species. How it is possible for you to taking care this much species, and apart from that you are say you have already told that you are a lecturer and you are also an anchor in All India Radio, and you are also a writer, and it is not wrong to say that you are also fashionist somehow. So how you are maintaining this much time? It is 24 hour. How you are doing all this?
It's a little bit painful because I have to arrange, I have to find times for them, I plan for them. My journey started in the day uh, from 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock is my sleeping time, bedtime, and in between that I do everything which gives me pleasure, and maximum time, maximum pleasure I am gaining from them. So to care them, to fondle them, to love them, to work for them is my work.
Well,
And
yeah,
yes.
yeah, very nice. We have a very simple questions. Uh, What do you think? What is life?
Life is full of as life funda, it is full of sorrow, and for me to curtail this sorrow, to curtail that pain, you waste, you every time you are wasting. But if you use your valuable times with like these things, somebody are in favor of pets, somebody are in favor of gaining and training their relationship, and right now for me life is full of plants because the greenery, the air purifying nature of them, and somehow right now, because in few days and in these days I'm bit conscious about the life also. So the relationship you are maintaining with the people should be very pious.
Ma'am, we got to know that your working place is 70 kilometers
Away from this.
away from this point from Sambalpur.
I
So
spend
how you are reaching there in time, and earlier how what in which means you are attending that working place in time? How? Because it is 70 kilometers means it is meaningful, because 70 and 70 140 every day you are coming from going from Sambalpur to that working place Ulunda,
Yes.
that's your college, and then you return back, and according to our government now you must attend it 7
7
hour in your college. So if you go to early morning and if you attended your class by 10, then you have to return back by 5, and if you being a lady,
not 5, not 5. It's 8 o'clock.
oh my god. So how it is possible? How you are doing all this? Are you not afraid while you are coming? That is a very jungle area, you know, that forest land, forest area is there. And how are you not having any fear on it?
No, nowadays it's very developed, and thanks to the bus and the vehicles and the road. So I used to go college by bus. I started my journey from home towards my college by 7:30 or 7:40, and I woke up by 5 o'clock. So 5 to 7 I spend my time with the plants. I care for them. So I water them and I do a little bit of care in the early morning. And if possible, then evening I spend sometimes with them. Sunday is purely I spend for them. I never goes to anywhere.
Yeah, it means then you are keeping Sunday for yourself only.
Yes, yes.
And rest of 6 days you have given to your professions and others work.
2 hours morning and 1-2 hours in the evening I spend with them. Na?
Yeah. We also know that you are also you are a singer, and why I say you are multidimensional. There are many other personalities you have which you have not shown to the people. By the way, what message you want to give to young lady of the society?
I want to say them, spend your time for yourself. Whatever things giving you pleasure, you do them. Maybe you're gardening, maybe you're singing, maybe other things. You care for yourself. Because many working ladies and many housewives also, they are living for others. So my words for them is care for you. You live for yourself. And whatever things giving you the pleasure, you just do that.
Okay, ma'am, you have developed 300 numbers of species. Can you show that and give some ideas about that species to the audience?
Yes, my
Okay,
pleasure.
let's.
Okay, friends, let's meet with my family members, the members related to my heart. This is my Aglaonema, pink Aglaonema. This is lipstick Aglaonema. This is another species of Aglaonema. This is fern, one type of fern. Look at my snake plant, how bigger it is. My pothos with moss sticks. This is one type of philodendron. The foliage I like and love. This is a species of snake plant, which is air purifying plant. This is another type of philodendron, and see the size of the leaf. This is another type of, see my alocasia in the size of the leaf. This is oxalic butterfly. This is also a flowering plant. This is my spider plant. This is snake plant, a lotus type snake plant. Look at this. This is string of banana. This is my kalanchoe. Pink color kalanchoe, a flowering plant, looking very beautiful. This is a plant belongs to Dracena family. This is my Dieffenbachia, an indoor plant and outdoor plant also. It is also an air purifying plant. This is a plant, arrowroot plant. This is Sansevieria, cylindrical Sansevieria, air purifying plant. This is my Dracena plant. This is my potho of having a big leaf. This is a plant of Aglaonema. This is peace lily having big leaves. I have another lily plant, peace lily plant, smaller one, and this is also air purifying plant. This is Syngonium. Some says it philodendron, but this is Syngonium, and this is also an air purifying plant approved by NASA. This is philodendron. Sideway, that is my Swiss cheese plant. This is also philodendron family's plant. This is also Dracaena. Near to that, my ZZ plant is there. I have an interest, so I use the smaller pot to plant my little plants. This is my snake plant. This is otherwise known as mother-in-law's tongue plant. This is also air purifying plant. Another piece of my snake plant. Friends, this is my aquatic garden, you say. The plants, here it is my water lily, purple color water lily. I have red, pink, yellow, but right now blooming flower is my purple color water lily. These are my plants: hibiscus, croton, gazania, denthus. This is my bleeding heart flower, coleus, the foliage you like and love. This is a beautiful flower. Name is spider flower. Look at my denthus, pink colored denthus. A view of my little garden, roses, adenium, the bonsai I have done myself. Look at yet another plant, very lovely, full bloom, bougainvillea. Yes, friends, I use pot to give the waters to the pet. Look at the beauty of this plant. Here it is. You are having view of my garden right now. Thank you all.